2025's bathroom trends that are totally worth the investment. Hey there, design lovers! Let's be real. Your bathroom is more than just a place to freshen up. It's the space where you kickstart your day, relax after a busy one, and indulge in those essential moments of self-care. As we look ahead to 2025, bathrooms are getting a major upgrade, blending luxury, practicality, and sustainability. In today's video, we're diving into the top bathroom trends that are not only stylish, but also smart investments for your home. Spa-inspired designs, cutting-edge technology, and eco-friendly features are set to redefine bathrooms, turning them into spaces of ultimate comfort and style. Be it a complete renovation or a simple update, these trends bring exciting possibilities for every design enthusiast. Let's get started. The spa experience at home. In 2025, bathrooms are becoming personal wellness retreats. Think soothing colors, natural materials, and calming design elements. Features like rainfall showers, freestanding tubs, and even built-in steam systems are transforming bathrooms into spa-like escapes. Floating and minimalist vanities. Say goodbye to bulky cabinets. Floating vanities are the modern solution, offering sleek designs and clever storage options. They create a clean, open look while keeping all your essentials neatly organized. Dark and moody elegance. For those who love a touch of drama, darker tones like charcoal, deep greens, and matte black fixtures are taking over. Paired with metallic accents or natural stone, they add sophistication and warmth to any bathroom. Natural light and plants. Bringing the outdoors in is a trend that's thriving in 2025. Large windows, skylights, and even indoor plants are becoming essential for bathrooms. The result? A fresh, airy vibe that makes your space feel connected to nature. Smart bathroom tech. Technology is redefining the bathroom experience. Imagine waking up to a pre-warmed floor, dimming the lights with your voice, or enjoying a mirror that doubles as a screen. Smart toilets with features like self-cleaning and built-in bidets are also gaining popularity. Open concept showers. Open concept showers are making a splash in 2025, offering a sleek, modern look that maximizes space and creates an airy, luxurious feel. Perfect for blending functionality with style, these showers seamlessly integrate into any bathroom layout. Large-scale mirrors. Mirrors are becoming more than just functional. In 2025, large statement mirrors are a key design feature that makes the bathroom appear larger and more open. Plus, they add an element of luxury and sophistication, reflecting light and adding visual interest. Trending bathroom colors in 2025. The bathroom color palette in 2025 is all about creating a space that feels fresh, inviting, and relaxing. Expect to see shades of deep emerald greens, earthy terracotta, calming blues, and soft blush tones. These rich hues can make a bold statement or offer a serene atmosphere, depending on your style. Neutrals like warm beige and soft gray will continue to be popular for their versatility, while metallic accents such as gold and matte black will add a touch of sophistication. These colors can be incorporated through paint, tiles, fixtures, and accessories to create a personalized and on-trend bathroom space. There you have it. Bathroom trends in 2025 are all about balancing luxury with practicality and style with sustainability. Whether you're planning a full renovation or just looking for small upgrades, these ideas are worth every penny. What trend are you most excited to try in your bathroom? Let us know in the comments. And if you're ready to bring these ideas to life, check out Foyer Neo, a powerful yet simple online room design software. With Foyer Neo, you can visualize these trends in 3D and plan your dream bathroom with ease. Link in the description for a free 14-day trial. Happy designing!